Students, so I last class discuss difference of sets. So previous classes discuss difference of sets. Suppose A is equal to 1 2 3 4 and B is equal to 2 4 6 8 10, then its difference is, that is A minus B. A minus B is a set whose elements, all the element of set A which is not belong in B. A माइनस बी में सेट ए का एलिमेंट लिखना है, वे सभी एलिमेंट लिखोगे जो कि बी में बिलोंग नहीं करता है, यानी जो दोनों में जो कॉमन एलिमेंट्स हैं उसको हटा देना है. एंड राइट ऑल एलिमेंट ऑफ सेट ए. So 1 not belong in, so write 1, 2 belong in, not write 3 not belong in, 4 belong in. So A minus B is only 1 3. Now it's Venn diagram. So for Venn diagram, first draw rectangle, that is universal set, then write two sets A and B. This is A and this one is B. Now A minus B. A minus B, A is 1 2 3 4 and 2 and 4 is common. 2 and 4 is common. A having 4 element, so remaining element 1 3. B having this element 2 4 already written, so remaining element 6 8 and 10. And what is A minus B? Is 1 3. This 1 3. This part is 1 3. That is this is the Venn diagram of A minus B. A minus B 1 3, that is all part of A which is not belong in B. So this part is a part of set A which is not belong in B. So this set is the Venn diagram of A minus B. Okay, so next exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4. 1.4 is find the union each of the following sets. Union, that is combined all elements. आप simply union find कर लोगे. Find A union B, that is find union X given and Y given. So find X union Y. First question, first का first, X given, X is 1 3 and 5 and Y is 1 2 and 3. Find X union, this is read as union X union Y. एंड X यूनियन Y में क्या करते हैं, दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट को कंबाइंड फॉर्म में नोट करेंगे, बट जो एलिमेंट दोनों में बिलोंग कर रहा है उसको रिपीट करके नोट नहीं करना है. रिपीटेड एलिमेंट वन टाइम ही नोट करेंगे. एंड राइट अल्फ़ाबेट और न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म. सो फर्स्ट राइट 1, then next 1 here also belongs to, so 1 write only one time, then 2, next 3 belong in both set but write only one time, and this is 5. So this is X union Y. Similarly find all the unions. Or question number 2, A given, B given, is A subset B? You check that every element of set A belong in B. Question number 2, question number 2, A given, A is AB and B ABC. Question is A subset B? Yes, A subset B, because every element of A both are belong to set B, so A subset B. Yes. And also given, so what is A union B? Find A union B, that is combine all the elements. So A, B and C, and this element is equal to set B, so this is equal to set B. So here A union B is equal to set B. So this is the property also, the A union B here given, that is if A subset B, then A union B is equal to B. And similarly, if B is the subset of A, if, then, or write other set, suppose P is the subset of Q or Q is the subset of P, Q is the subset of P, then P union Q is equal to, here A subset B, B is the superset, that is bigger set, so A union B is equal to B. Here Q subset P, so P is the superset, then P union Q is equal to P. So this also a property, इसको आप याद रखोगे. Next question number 3, same as, and fourth, A given, B given, C given, D given, then find here A union B, A union C, all are easy, union find कर लोगे. Question number 5, find the intersection each pair of does the set question number 1 above, same as find the intersection, that is common element, intersection means common element. And 6 given, A given, B given, C given, D given, find all are intersection. Suppose one question 6, question number 6, A given, A is 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and B given 7, 9, 11 and 13, and C given 11, 13, 15, and D given 15, 17. Suppose find ninth. Ninth is A intersection B union C. Find A intersection B union C. So first write A intersection B. First find A intersection B is equal to intersection A and B. Intersection means common elements. So what is the common element between A and B? A और B में क्या क्या common है? 7 is common element, 9 is common element and 11 is common element. So A intersection B is 7, 9, 11. This is A intersection B. Now find B union C. B union C. Union that is दोनों सेट के एलिमेंट को कंबाइंड फॉर्म में नोट कर देना है. बी यूनियन सी, तो आप न्यूमेरिकल फॉर्म में नोट कर दें. बी एंड सी का यूनियन दोनों को कंबाइंड फॉर्म नोट करेंगे. सो फर्स्ट राइट 7, देन नेक्स्ट 9, देन नेक्स्ट 11, 11 also here belongs to, next 13, 13 also belongs to, and next remaining element 15. So this is the B union C. Now find A intersection B union C. So first write A intersection B. Intersection B is 7, 9, 11, and intersection B union C. This is B union C. So B union C 7, 9, 11, 13 and 15. Now find its intersection. Intersection means common element. So what is common element? Here 7 is a common element, next common element 9, and next common is 11. So this is the value of A intersection B union C. और remaining questions are easy, same इसी टाइप से find कर लोगे. Question number 7th. A given, set A given x such that x is a natural number. X such that x. Question number 7. आप एनसीईआरटी बुक से देखोगे. Question number 7. A equal to x such that x is a natural number. So natural number starting from 1, that is 1, 2, 3 so on. This is a natural number. And set B set B is equal to x such that x is an even natural number. So even natural number starting from 2 and so on. And C is equal to x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number starting from 1 to 5 so on. All are infinite sets. And D is equal to x such that x prime number. So since prime number is starting from 2, next prime number 3, next prime number 5, next is 7 and so on. Write all prime numbers. Then find A intersection B, A intersection C. सेम ऐसे फाइंड कर लोगे आप, सेम ऐसे निकल जाएगा, फाइंड कर लोगे. And question number 8, which of the following pair are set are disjoint? Disjoint. So disjoint set, right? What is disjoint set? Disjoint set, right definition. So two sets A and B is said to be disjoint if A intersection B is equal to 5. That is, set A and B having no any common element. So two sets such that having no common element, then that set is called disjoint set. So question number 8, all sets given and find their intersection. If intersection is phi, that is having no common element, then sets are disjoint. And same question number 9 also. Question number 10 same as. Question number 11th. Question number 11th. 11th is R is the set of real numbers and Q is the set of rational number. Then what is R minus Q? What is R minus Q? R is the set of real number and Q is the set of rational number. And you know that real number is the set of rational and irrational. So R minus Q, that is real number minus irrational number, rational number is equal to irrational number, And question number 12, state whether each of the following statement is true or false. Justify your answer. First, disjoint set. So check that any element common or not. 3 is a common element. So this is not disjoint. Question number 12, here first set given 2, 3, 4, 5 and second set given 3, 6 and check that both are disjoint. Since 3 is a common element, so it is not disjoint. No, not disjoint. Same check कर लोगे, find intersection. If no any element in common, then sets are disjoint. So आप इसमें क्वेश्चन 1.4 सारे क्वेश्चन जो टिपिकल था हम डिस्कस कर दिए. आप इसमें क्वेश्चन लगा लोगे और जो प्रॉब्लम्स होगा आप एनीवे किसी ढंग से हमसे पूछोगे आप. सो नेक्स्ट, कंप्लीमेंट ऑफ ए सेट. Complement of a set. Complement of a set. Suppose A is any set. आप डिफिनेशन बुक से नोट कर लोगे, सेम डिफिनेशन है, हम समझा दे रहे हैं ओनली. A is any set and U is the universal set. Then complement of set A complement of set A is denoted by A dash or A to the power C. This is read as complement, generally denoted by this symbol, and which defined by A complement is equal to U minus A. दैट इज़ एनी सेट का कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकालना हो तो उस सेट को यूनिवर्सल सेट में माइनस कर देंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, सपोज यूनिवर्सल सेट गिवन 1 2 so on up to 10 and set A given 1 2 3. So A dash is equal to by definition U minus A. आप U में से A एलिमेंट को माइनस कर दोगे तो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट ऑफ राइट U, तो A तो 1 2 3 माइनस 1 2 3 माइनस देन रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट 4 5 6 so on up to 10. So this is the complement of A. So complement of set A, that is this can also written. So complement of set A is equal to all elements suppose X such that this element X belong in U. These are the element of U and X does not belongs to A. A complement का जो एलिमेंट होंगे वो A में बिलोंग नहीं करेगा. Okay, so this is the complement of set. Definition clear. This now example number 22 and this is the value of A dash. Now again find A dash whole dash, that is find complement of A dash. So this can written U minus A dash. Set here this, that is A dash. U में से A माइनस कर दो, सॉरी U में से A dash माइनस करेंगे. A dash that is 4 to 10, इसमें सब 4 to 10 माइनस कर दो, क्या बचेगा एलिमेंट 1 2 3. One element 1 2 3 and 1 2 3 is equal to set A. So this is equal to set A. So this is the property A complement whole complement is equal to A. This is the property also, A complement is equal to whole complement is equal to A. So example number now 22. Example number 22. U given 1 2 3 4 5 6 and A given A is 2 3 and B given 3 4 5. Then find A dash B dash A dash intersection B dash. क्या क्या फाइंड करना है? फाइंड A dash B dash A dash intersection B dash and hence A union B and next find A union B and next so that A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. So find first A dash. So since A dash is U minus A, आप U में से A माइनस कर दो. U given 1 to 6, A given 2 3, तो आप 2 3 को माइनस कर दो, क्या बचेगा U माइनस A 1 2 3 को हटा दिए 4 5 6, आप 2 3 को हटा देंगे 1 4 5 6. दिस इज A dash. Similarly find B dash. So B dash is equal to U minus B and U में से B माइनस कर दें, दैट इज 3 4 5 को माइनस कर देंगे. सो एलिमेंट इज 1 2 and 6. दिस इज वैल्यू B dash. नाउ फाइंड A dash intersection B dash. So A dash intersection B dash is equal to intersection, that is common element. So what is the common element? A dash and B dash, 1 is common and 6 is common. So intersection is 1 6. Now find A union B. A union B, union that is combined all the elements. आप A B को दोनों को combine करना है, A B को combine करना है. तो starting from 2, 2, 3, this 3 already written. So next 4 and 5. This is A union B. Next find A union B whole dash. A union B whole dash. So find A union B whole dash. That is universal set minus A union B. आप U में से यह एलिमेंट को माइनस कर दो तो 2, 3, 4, 5 को माइनस कर देंगे. सो रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट इज 1 and 6. रिमेनिंग एलिमेंट 1 and 6. सो दिस इज A union B whole dash and A intersection B whole dash also same as 1 6. This also 1 6. So put value 1 6. So 1 6 equal to A dash intersection B dash. So therefore A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. This is the property also. And here you check that here middle sign क्या है? Union. और इधर साइन क्या हो गया? इंटरसेक्शन, दैट इज साइन चेंज्ड. और ये जो डैश है दोनों पे डैश आया हुआ है, दोनों पे डैश देंगे और साइन चेंज. यदि यहाँ पे होगा इंटरसेक्शन, सिमिलरली ए इंटरसेक्शन भी होल कॉम्प्लीमेंट, कॉम्प्लीमेंट दोनों पे होगा और साइन चेंज, दिस प्रॉपर्टी. सो टाइम इज ओवर, नाउ कंप्लीटेड.